So it's been announced we got a brand new software update coming for Roku OS. We're getting version 12.5 and this is looking good. There's a lot of new content on it. First of all, I'm quickly going to show you how you would update a Roku device to see if you get this update. It's going to start rolling out now over the next few weeks, okay? And we'll also talk about at the end which devices are getting this Roku update. Sounds good? A lot of it's around the TV streaming and what you want to watch, the experiences, and how it works, and the updates, and the channels, all in there. So we're going to go through every single little bit and have a little look. Okay, so obviously to update your device and stay up to date on your device, the first thing you want to do is hit subscribe to the channel. We cover everything streaming, no matter what device, Roku's, Fire Sticks, Android TV, Apple TV. So hit that subscribe, check out the other videos. We've got some great Roku videos about features I will link under this video. And obviously to actually physically push an update, you need to go to your settings. So you go to settings, you go into your device, keep going down to system, probably could have gone up, and in here, software update. So you can click it, check now, Mum will check the version, see if we got the new software. It's going to be rolling out any day now, so I doubt I've got it here yet in the UK, but do go on and check yours. Okay, it's just doing a few channel updates, and there we go. So we've got our system, our software update, we are still on version 12.0, but we are waiting for version 12.5. And what do we get with that? Okay, so on the Roku OS 12.5, like I stated, is rolling out over the coming months. And at the end of this, I will tell you what devices are getting it. So we are getting What to Watch. What to Watch is the discovery destination for trending entertainment across the Roku platform. What to Watch continues to expand with category and genre-based browsing experience. This is obviously where it's recommending new programs. Now the browse row in What to Watch is organised by categories like movies, TV shows, new and popular and more. Once in those categories, users can browse by genre such as action, which is cool, and trending titles to suit their moods. We got it, and it's getting better, so that's cool. Experiences. New experience related to a specific genre or topic such as food or home will roll across the platform in the coming months. Within these new experiences, users can browse through a curated selection of entertainment specific to each genre. Okay, so that's like many platforms where you can actually just pick movies and TV shows, food, news, documentaries. That's rolling out under the experiences on here. More content providers within the live TV zone. So this is good. This is where a competitor in the UK, the Fire Sticks, really lets us down because there's nothing linked in their live TV for people in the UK. So the live TV zone provides users with a curated live TV experience directly from Roku home screen menu. The live TV zone lets users easily access rows of local news, live entertainment, Roku's live TV channel guide, which hosts 400 plus free live channels. We like this. So you get your Fubo, your DirecTV. If you're in America, those ones are. Some of your subscriptions will all be in the channel guide, and that's what we want. And here we are. The live TV channel guide update is now going to have 400 plus live TV channel streamings. It's now going to have 400 plus live TV streaming channels. With this update, live TV channel guide is getting more personalised, more visual, and even more convenient. I will link this article underneath for you guys if you want to have a read through as well. So you get a visual updates in there. Live TV channel title for Roku streaming players on home screen grid. Nice. Personalising the sports experience, new sports highlights. So you'll be able to favourite your team, get your sports highlights, and expanded content. This is cool. Upgrade to music video playlist within the Roku channel. The Roku channel is home to 253 curated music video playlists from partners like Stingray, Vivo and Warner Music Group. Our latest update introduces enhancements to the music playlist experience to give customers greater ease and control, as well as offer more ways to discover music they love. Brilliant. Roku Photo Streams integration with Google Photos. Roku Photo Streams makes it easy for users to personalize their screensavers, so it'll be meaning you can bring in Google Photos and albums onto your screensaver. There's been an app for the mobile updates. Visual search and search results. Continue watching within Remote tab. This is all for the mobile app. Roku Voice for credit card entry. So now you can use your voice to read in your credit card details. Nice. Make sure no one's listening. Easy access to expert picture settings. Now 4K Roku TV model owners can access advanced picture settings. We like this, like gamma correction, noise reduction and more. So you can really do it. And as obviously, as with every update, security updates. So supported devices are all listed here. Have a look through them on the screen now. if you want to have a look, like I say, I will link this article directly underneath. We're all still here, Roku OS 12. We are waiting for 12.5, but there's a lot of good stuff in there, so let me know what you think of it. Again, these are all here, and all Roku TV models are likely to get it. Okay, so that's happening. Most of streaming players, most of us will have these. Most will have it. If you want to know which one you're on, back on your device, in your system, just go to About, and this should tell you which device you're on. I'm a model 3820 EU version, so on our list, do we have a 3820? Probably not, no, my luck. Here we go, 380s. The 3820, it's all in here. Okay, so I'll be getting the update so you can check yours as well. Brilliant. Before we leave, like I said, if you can, do remember to hit that subscribe button. Check out the channel for us. Plus, if you are interested in a VPN, I know currently these can't be used on Roku players, but we are working on a fix for that for you, so do subscribe for that as well. Underneath, there is a VPN, which is a partner of ours we do mention on the end of every video. If you are interested in a VPN, do check out the link underneath this video, as well as we will link some Roku videos under there as well. Brilliant. So I've been Doc Squiffy. Let's enjoy this new Roku update, and I'll see you soon.